everyone, I am Nardin Samirin, together with my partner, Mark John Brown. We are here to present a video about waste management, which aim to improve our proper waste disposal in our campus or in our school.
Waste management is the process of collecting, sorting, recycling, and properly disposing of waste to keep the environment clean and safe. Its main goal is to reduce trash, prevent pollution, and protect people's health. Simple step in waste management. The number one is to reduce, to produce less waste. The second is to reuse things again if they can still be used. The number three is recycle, to turn waste into new products. And the last one is the proper disposal. Throw garbage in the correct bins.
Our surroundings in school are clean because we practice proper waste management and take responsibility for our environment. Students and teachers and also staffs work together to make sure that trash is thrown in the correct bins and not scattered anywhere. We also learn to reduce waste by using only what we need. Reuse materials that are still useful. By doing this simple action, we help prevent pollution and keep our school safe and healthy for everyone. A clean environment makes learning more comfortable and enjoyable. It is shown that we care about our school community. When we maintain cleanliness of our surroundings, we are not only protecting the environment today, but we are also setting a good example for our future generations.
I just want to remind all of us about proper waste management. Some of us throw water bottles and trash anywhere, and maybe we think it's nothing. But a small action harms our school and our environment.
Plastic does not disappear easily. It causes pollution, floods, and destroys nature. And it starts with just one person not caring.
Let's show our discipline.
Let's throw our trash in proper bin and keep our school clean.
A clean environment begins with us.